Next is your home espresso machine. And so first you're going to want to turn the machine on this machine. The switch is right here. And you're going to want to turn it on and let it warm up for a little while so that all the parts and the water in the water tank is warmed up to the right temperature. On this machine, the water tank is under this metal plate in the back. You're going to want to make sure that that water tank is full of water before you start and the entire time, anytime you're brewing espresso. On any machine, if the water tank runs out of water while you're brewing espresso, it can mess up the machine. It can do a lot of damage to the machine, and especially if it's not like this one that has an automatic shutoff if that water tank goes empty. A lot of the machines don't, and you'll be in some trouble there. You can turn the machine on, let that warm up. You can warm up the portafilter a little better by just turning the group head on and running water through the portafilter, and that's going to get it at the same temperature as the machine. A big part that goes into the quality of your espresso is the temperature of the water that you're going to be using. A good guideline to go by is right at 200 degrees for water for preparing espresso. So right here I have this little thermometer. So of course you're going to want a thermometer that goes up to 220 degrees Fahrenheit. And what you can do with a machine like this is, what I'm going to do here in a second, is turn on the group head by the lever over here. Let water start flowing through here. I'm going to stick the thermometer in this little hole where water is going to be pouring out. And you're going to have to be careful when you do that so that you're not splashed with water, because of course the water is really hot and you can get burned. But you can watch the thermometer and wait until it gets to the point where it stabilizes and you know where the water temperature is at. And depending on the machine that you have, you can look at after that you can look at your owner's manual to find out how to properly adjust the temperature or adjust the temperature stability. So in this machine, it's stabilizing right at about 200 degrees, which is where I want it. And so we're good.